You need to imagine that St. Eustatius in 2014, where 100% of water was supplied by systems. And through an investment by the Netherlands, we have expanded to what is called now our Statia Utilities Company, which is a government-owned company, and we cover about 70% of households with clean drinking water. One of the challenges we face is the small scale of our islands and the lack of the local expertise. I want to say that coming to this conference, I can take away a lot of information that was shared here. I think it was at the opening that the minister of the host country, the Bahamas, said something that resonated with me, is the fact that when we look at our region, the Caribbean region, we have a cadre of professionals based on our size and scope that is paramount to any other part of the world. And why are we not as a region making use of the expertise and the knowledge that is vested within our Caribbean region? And I must say, being here for the past 2 days, my eyes have opened to a great extent. I want to also say some of the things that I will take away from the conference is the urgent need to address the non-revenue water situation. As St. Eustatius, we have addressed the situation exactly this year where we were losing about 40% of our water production due to leakage on the ground. That is one of the challenges we face. We were able to work with one of our sister islands, Dutch islands, and we were able to resolve that issue. But also dealing with water management, I've learned at this conference the importance of modernizing our systems, about also making sure that whatever systems we have in place, that the people that are working the systems are also trained and retrained to operate these systems so that we can effectively and efficiently provide quality service that our people deserve. I want to also share with you that as St. Eustatius, I mentioned that we cover 60 to 70% of our households. Structurally, in the coming 3 years, 2023, 2024, 2025, we will continue with investments, which will be bringing water to about 80 to 90% of the population of St. Eustatius.